one of the shootings from over the weekend was a drive-by shooting where the victim didn't even know they had been shot until they got home. That was the shooting that happened on Normandy Boulevard near 295. Investigators say the victim had pulled over because they thought they had a flat tire. When they got out to investigate, they heard loud bangs thinking that the cars were backfiring. Once the victim got home, that's when they felt a warm sensation down their lower back and they realized they were bleeding. If you have any information about any of these shootings or any unsolved case in the city of Jacksonville, you can call Crime Stoppers and remain anonymous. Your phone number to call, 866-845-TIPS. Once again, that's 866-845-8477.